Think orchids are hard to grow? Think again. Today, I'll show you 5 gorgeous orchids that are perfect for beginners. No greenhouse, no special equipment, just a little love and light. Let's get growing. Let's start with the queen of beginner orchids, the Phalaenopsis, also known as the moth orchid. It blooms for months, loves indoor light, and is super forgiving if you miss a watering or two. 2. Dendrobium. Dendrobiums look delicate, but they are actually tough. They enjoy more sunlight than the Phalaenopsis and come in a range of stunning colors. Number 3 is Oncidium, or the dancing lady orchid. These orchids have flowers that look like little dancers. That's why they call it dancing lady orchid. They like bright light and give off so many blooms once they're happy. Number 4 is Paphiopedilum, or the lady sleeper orchid. Want something unique? Try the lady sleeper orchid. Its exotic pouch-like blooms make it a conversation starter, and it's surprisingly beginner-friendly. Number 5 is the Ludisia, or the Jewel Orchid. Not all orchids are grown for flowers. Some, like the Jewel Orchid, are prized for their beautiful leaves. It's super easy to care for and thrives in lower light. See, orchids don't have to be intimidating. Start with one of these beginner friendly beauties and you might just get hooked. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video if it helped, and please don't forget to subscribe for more beginner plant tips.